Okay, geometry students, we want to look at Unit 1, Lesson 9, which is known as Speedy Delivery. Our goals here are, I can construct a perpendicular bisector to help solve problems. So we're going to be using our perpendicular bisectors to help us figure out some situations, some problems. All right, the second one is, I can use my geometry knowledge to solve problems. So we're just going to be taking a general look at the stuff that we've learned and how we can maybe use it to solve some situations. All right, so here we have some review and vocabulary. Most of the words for this lesson are reviews. So we have like angle bisector, the segment or line that cuts an angle into two equal angles. We've got circle, which is all the points that are the same distance from a center. Conjecture is what we're trying to prove or disprove. An inscribed shape is one that is in another shape. We've got line segment, so a straight line with two endpoints. We have parallel, two lines that will never cross. Remember, with parallel, they have to have the same slope. Perpendicular bisector, so a line that cuts a segment into two equal segments and creates a 90-degree angle. We have a regular polygon, so any polygon where all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. And then our last one here is tessellation. Now this one's kind of new. It's an arrangement of figures that covers the entire plane without gaps or overlaps. So I have kind of a small plane here. And if you notice, I have octagons and squares, and putting them together, they just kind of build to make more octagons and squares. And we could continue this pattern both ways. We would never get anything other than octagons and squares. All right, so our warm-up to help us get started and get us thinking for this lesson is a notice and wonder. Remember, notices are two things that just strike you from what you're looking at. Oh, I noticed this. Wonders are questions you have that can maybe help you get more information. So I want you to try and get two notices and two wonders, bring those to class tomorrow, and then that will start our discussion. So here we have a plane. We have some points in the planes. The plane is broken into three parts. And then we have the points labeled on the plane and where they are. So come up with two notices that you have for this picture and two questions, two wonderings that you need a little bit more information or would like more information to help you with this. All right. Bring those to class tomorrow, and that's how we'll start our discussion. Thanks.